Did you know that heart murmurs can signal over 100 different diseases? Critical facts. Asymptomatic patients with severe mitral valve regurgitation face hidden risks. Without early intervention, survival rates can drop by 20%. Heart murmurs often provide the first warning sign. Waiting for symptoms to appear can mean precious time is lost. Game-changing solution. Stetthophone's AI technology now detects murmurs before symptoms appear, enabling cardiologists to take early action. Remember, it's not just a sound, it's a potential lifesaver. Are you ready to take control of your heart health?